MEP, currently working with Joyville Shapoorji Housing Pvt Limited. He has around 2 decades of experience in managing large-scale construction projects. Coming from an engineering background and knowledge of AutoCAD and BIM software, he specialized in MEP for design and execution. Mr. Mahesh has a proven track record for project-wide operations, administrating budgets, controlling expenses, and boosting efficiency and productivity. Having a keen understanding of business elements, he has demonstrated his contribution to leadership, operational excellence, and organizational development. Today, Mr. Mahesh will give us a brief view of MEP design with modeling, IoT, and AI, which helps to reduce cost and time. So, delegates, let's welcome Mr. Mahesh.
Good evening, everybody. So, once again, I have to introduce myself. This is Mahesh Bharte. I'm heading Joyville Shapoorji Division for Pan India. So, let's start with today's discussion. Today, I'm discussing about all initial brief about MEP design, how it could be helped with modern technologies. And after that, I am just moving on to how these modern techniques help your property to be maintained. So let's start with MEP designing. So specifically starting with MEP designing, everybody well known about MEP. There are the major 3 streams, which includes building, which basically designs and prepare and commissioning the building interior to be suitable for human uses, occupancy, irrespective of structure of the building. It may be residential, it may be commercial, it may be labs, it may be any other structures like multiplex, theaters, and everything, which converts your empty room into comfortable spaces, which is good for human being. So for this designing, majorly building automation is an increasing and popular service that incorporates all the aspects of MEP engineering, allow for centralizing hardware and software network that control HVAC, security, fire alarm, indoor-outdoor lighting, and as well as many other operations which helps to critical building performances. So initially for designing, there are many software-based solutions available in the market. So majorly these solutions are AutoCAD, which are currently using by everybody, and from last say 2 decades, a modeling is there. And BIM is building information modeling, with many other, say 2 or 3 people are there in the market who are providing modeling software. So these solutions streamlines your design, modeling, documentation, construction strategies, and ensure that they integrated seamlessly with your building. So MEP softwares enable user to conduct simulation, helping to ensure their building systems and do not cause any interference with rest of the building. So I'm initially discussing about the modeling techniques. So modeling techniques which allows architectural, structural guys, mechanical, electrical, and other MEP guys or draftsmen, say design draftsmen, to collaborate, consider, and show all the detailing of building or for the project. Modeling can be caused in any part of the cycle, for renovation, planning, designing, documentation, and construction, up till operation and maintenance also. So these modelings are available in many ways. So it starts with 3D design. So 3D design will start with design modeling. Upgraded to that, the another version comes into market, that is 4D. I have recently I can't say, from last 2 decades I am observing this thing. Initially I have worked with 3D, then these people are come up with 4D. Then 5D, 6D, and now we are working on 7D also. So 3D is an designing modeling systems. And addition to that 4D, which comes with time management, which includes scheduling, procurement, contracts, and cost. After that, it comes with construction management, which is called as 5D, where you can monitor your construction management and construction activity. After that, an addition with modeling is sustainability, that is 6D. And finally, the 7D technology is also there with the modeling, that is facility management. So use of the BIM does not end with product commissioning. A virtual reality BIM model is extremely useful when managing a property and scheduling a maintenance operation. In particular, it enables a preventive maintenance approach instead of an reactive approach. Fixing problem before occur is far simpler, and fixing the damages building system component can be breakdown. Since BIM include data on MEP component, it can be updated on routine inspection or with the building system modification. A virtual building model can be used or track or condition is the key component of schedule for the replacement all in advance. So moving on to maintenance, which is the major part of today's discussion. So maintenance is the occupation that uses engineering, theories and practices to operate, plan, and implement their routine maintenance for their equipment and machinery. This must be in conjunction with the optimization operation and produces an budget to attain and sustain the highest level of reliability and the profits. For that, we need to standardize the process of maintenance for consistency of job site data to move forward for their predictive capability. So in maintenance, there are majorly three types of maintenance we are specifically said, that is reactive maintenance. Second step is preventive maintenance, and currently we are discussing about the predictive maintenance. Reactive maintenance can be detailed down as emergency or breakdown, which can be done after your emergency and breakdown. Preventive maintenance can be detailed out in four ways, that is running maintenance, routine type of maintenance, opportunity maintenance, and availability maintenance. Running maintenance is your general maintenance. Routine maintenance, which is your lubrication and all those stuff which you are going to in routine basis. Opportunity based maintenance means when you get an opportunity of an maintenance for the equipment, you can do it. And availability you can say if any equipment is breakdown, and along with operation, if any equipment is available with you for the maintenance, you can maintain that equipment. That comes under the availability preventive type of maintenance. After that, currently we are working specifically on predictive maintenance, that is statistical base or your conditional base. So major difference between preventive and predictive is preventive maintenance is based upon your industry statistics. Predictive maintenance depend upon the data monitoring and the condition of equipment to be determined for the mean time failure. We want to digitize services maintenance program into predictive maintenance program with improved service capabilities. Predictive maintenance is one step above approach to maintain and need data collection and integration. With IoT based sensors and network information approach of the predictive maintenance is nowadays it is very much easy for us. The predictive maintenance program leverage data to predict when asset will need an maintenance and support. The capability would eliminate unnecessary equipment check while conserving your resources. It allows facility team to take more proactive approach to service by minimizing the downtime and the cost. So we move on to the next level of the maintenance that comes to predictive maintenance. So predictive maintenance can be done with the help of your AI and IoT. AI in MEP is a prerequisite in today's construction industry and help specific MEP requirement of the building. It also increases hours to spend on site and employee. Most of the work is converted to the automated system with lesser cost and the higher efficiency. By using AI in MEP design, the productivity of both the building and the workers can be increases. So what is AI? How AI works? So AI majorly based on the core component. As per my understanding, that is very vast field actually. So a knowledge-based data, logic-based data, case-based data, and genetic logic-based data. The description above suggests that AI must accept never before seen type of variable data, which analyze and that data then initiate to optimize signal and action. So AI is basically a program or say algorithm which gives you an additional signal and preventive signal which can you move further on. So for this to describe AI better ways, I have gone through an example once. So I'll just share with you. So what can I say? It's a vehicle based AI system. So if you have to run a vehicle with AI on the road, so how many factors which can be considered and how much data which you need to be upload to run AI vehicle on the road. So I can say for vehicle travel, you have to consider signs, human beings, mechanical signals, many obstacles, weather conditions, and identify the objects in the road, such as roadside children, mailboxes, trees, and calculate the likelihood of the project moving into the vehicle path. So, in real time, decide upon the correct and avoidance action to be taken. So, for a vehicle, AI-based vehicle, have to consider this many data to start and reach the destination. For maintenance, we have to analyze, collect all the data, considering above four things: knowledge base, logic base, case base, and genetic base, all the data. And this pool of data you have to load into a system for your AI-based maintenance systems. So in comparatively effective daily operation of the building or facilities requires fewer variables and much less complex data to be analyzed. A facility mechanical system operate within the known state and the range, such as being on and off limits for HVAC temperature, pressure, humidity, fluid, gas flow, for electrical amperage and voltage. So bottom line is modern building and energy management system can be monitored hundred or thousands of inputs and signals to apply elaborate algorithm to optimize energy efficiency and cost for comfort and safety and maintain each and every equipment throughout the facility. The technology for implementing predictive maintenance has been available for years. Benefits of well-known particular given high cost downtime in most industry. Despite of this point, adoption has to be logged. Aside of the security concern, sticking point is often that converging data into a actionable base and cost and time associated with either bringing that in-house or dealing with the third-party services. AI and particularly machine learning provide effective tool for implementing predictive maintenance and saving huge. One of the preliminary changes of predictive maintenance is being through massive number of data to be extract meaningful, actionable information, particularly given to rapid growth in the industrial Internet of Things. Organization can also find these data rich and yet efficiently poor. So machine learning is an organized method of extracting insight that can be used for detecting development defects. So nowadays in AI, hybrid systems are considered, that is purely AI based, machine learning based and human intelligence. So facility management in construction has yet to take full advantage of the AI and IoT technique in daily operation and maintenance. HVAC is a major part of facility and maintenance, and occasionally HVAC malfunction can lead to a huge monetary loss. The application of AI IoT technique in facility can optimize the building performance, specifically in predictive maintenance, by lowering energy consumption, scheduling maintenance, as well as the monitoring. So conclusively, I can say on that part. So advancement MEP engineering with tools such as BIM software can be considered as an investment since it helps to achieve a long-term reduction of building ownership costs. A high-quality design simplifies the construction, operation, and the maintenance. That is all from my side.